we had the luck of you landing at the right time. So much going on. A case that Russia's listeners, my listeners, and Michelle Flower are so interested in is a case of Patricia and Malcolm. My understanding is this: that some rioters/protesters broke into private property and were screaming threats and threatening to harm their dogs and their persons. And Klofsky's armed themselves and defended their property. I understand that they're going to be charged by the circuit attorney in King Gardner with gun crimes. So just trying to get your update on this, Governor, and what can we do?
Yeah, I tell you what, I've been in law enforcement for 22 years, and what the prosecutors doing up there is total injustice, and it's an embarrassment for the state of Missouri that a prosecutor would charge law-abiding citizens like the McCloskeys for doing what everyday citizens would do when it comes to protecting your property, your family, and using the Second Amendment, using the Castle Doctrine exactly what it's designed for. And it's a shame that we've got a rogue prosecutor that would file charges on innocent people. So, as governor, there are things I can do. There was recently to the pardon. I've asked the Attorney General to get the charges dismissed. Last week I talked to the President of the United States, seeing what help we might be able to get on the federal level. But this is just something that needs to be an example for the rest of the country, that you can't go out and charge law-abiding citizens that are trying to utilize the Second Amendment rights, which they have every right to do, along with the Castle Doctrine in our state. Those things are embedded in the Constitution, and those are things that can never be abused. Unfortunately for law enforcement, they probably had to enforce it. They were kind of required to enforce it, but never going to stand court trial. I mean, it's unfortunate people get run through the system for what I would say injustice caused. But this thing is, you're never going to charge these people. We're never going to let them. I'm never going to let them spend any time in jail. I will guarantee you from the governor's position. But if you go back to the Kim Gardner situation, we've had 138 homicides in the St. Louis area. 138. 30 of them have had charges filed. So all those victims, all those families out there, all those people involved in homicide, and you got a prosecutor bumping 20% on filing charges and completion, and you put the McCloskeys at the front of the list and charge everyday innocent people with that. I'm telling you, we got to do something about getting justice served. Justice is going to start by making sure we get a good prosecutor in there at some point.
Yeah, I would agree. And Governor, do you in your state, Missouri, do you have powers to go into cities and say, no, you're going to charge the rest of these people with homicide? Can that be pursued at a state level? Is that something you don't do, or do you have those powers? Because I can hear the frustration in your voice, Governor Parson.
Well, you know what? I served this country in the military, 22 years in law enforcement. I've never seen law enforcement maxed out the way they are right now, being disrespected by a small majority of people, and just being put on the front line of chaos day in and day out. That has an impact on me. Yeah, it's frustrating. I can't come in here and remove an elected official, but unfortunately the way the Constitution is, it's set up that way, and there's good reason for it. But however, I can call special sessions. I can do things to help violent